How to invite someone to join TikTok Live. So first of all, launch TikTok application. From here, go to the category of Home. Now once you come here, at the top left corner, go ahead and tap on Live option. Now, once you come to a certain live, you'll see this Share option at the bottom right. Tap on it. Now, if you have TikTok friends added, you can see their names under Share. You can share the live video to your TikTok friends, or else swipe towards the left-hand side. Then go ahead and tap on More. Now from here, you can see the link of the TikTok Live. Tap on Copy and you can share the specific TikTok Live video to your friends so that they could join as well. Now, in order to go live from your own account, you would have to meet the criteria of TikTok. You should be 18 years above and you should also have followers more than 1,000. Then only you would be able to go live on TikTok from your own account and you can share your live video accordingly. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.